So our vision is to be one of the world's leading polytechnics and the most relevant and responsive post-secondary institution in Canada. We are doing that through technology-based education, which is hands-on and experiential, with industry as a partner. But what PIC does is it takes that partnership with industry so much further. If we think about the world's leading polytechnics, we are getting better and better at those core things we've always done. But we're developing more and more on this industry solutions structure that allow us to truly elevate and ensure that business and industry in this province will be competitive into the future, will drive that prosperity, and allow all Albertans to have the life that we want. Welcome to NAIT's Productivity and Innovation Centre, affectionately referred to as PIC. So let me tell you a little bit about the nature of this facility and what it is we actually do here. So I talk all the time about how this is the front door to industry and the place for industry to come to succeed. But what does that actually mean? What's the nature of what we do with industry? Well, we do several things. We work on critical applied research issues. Those problems that where an industry partner can solve, they are going to be more competitive. We work on their overall level of productivity. For over 20 years, NAIT has been working with industry and organizations to allow them to become more and more productive. We work on technology adoption. We know that there is more change in our world today than at any time in history, and a lot of that relates to technology. We need to work with industry to both understand the nature of that change and to adopt technology where that makes sense. We work on manufacturing issues. We also work on broader testing. So we know that testing plays a critical role both at the microscopic level and for large-scale type projects in actually being competitive, in being able to get the quality that you need in what it is that you are manufacturing or producing. This is, quite frankly, likely the largest testing facility in North America, covering a range of different tests. And finally, this space allows industry to come together to find solutions to elevate this province, but also to come together in celebration. Industry matters.